Hey, what's going on everybody? It's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but I've started to get the itch to produce this kind of content again, so I hope that's alright. Today we're going to be talking about creativity and the importance of creating without judgment. Now, coming up with new moves and ideas has several steps, and I think a lot of less experienced dancers tend to get too focused on the end result and producing something of worth, and forget or are completely unaware of the entire process that it takes to get to that end result. New ideas don't just spontaneously come out of nowhere. They usually come from a series of other ideas that weren't particularly special, but going through them brought you closer to that one great idea. I'm sure a lot of you have some experience in school doing brainstorming activities before having to write something. Stuff like idea maps or whatever, where you just write down all your ideas with no focus on whether it's good or bad. You just write your ideas as they come and see where your thoughts take you. This is one of the most crucial phases in the creation process, the initial exploration of ideas. For anyone familiar with the design thinking process, this is the ideation phase. At this phase, you focus on quantity of ideas, not quality. Lots of ideas from which to later choose from and prototype one of these ideas. We should be doing the same thing in dancing whenever we set out to create something new. Start with one move, one position, one simple basic idea, and just see where your mind takes you. This is the whole basis of the Breaking the Basics series that I do on the channel, and something I personally like to call the branching pathways philosophy. From one idea, you can create 100, and for people who like small details in their footwork like me, it's the perfect way to create. The key part here, though, is that you have to create without judgment. A lot of times we kill our creativity before it even has a chance to get going. Having these kinds of sessions helps us get the ball rolling, so to speak, and hopefully can get you into a creative flow where tons of random ideas will just start coming out, as long as we create without judgment. Having this mentality going into a creative session will allow you to experiment more freely. When you're not focused on whether it's good or bad, you're free to just produce any random idea and explore it to your heart's content. Some of these ideas will be garbage. In fact, most of them will be mediocre at best, but that's not the point. At this stage, it's just about creating lots of ideas from a variety of perspectives, and then afterwards, you can pick and choose which ones are worth pursuing. Oh yeah, record your sessions too, otherwise that last part can get pretty difficult. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and I hope this was useful. Let me know your experiences with creating in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you like the content. If you like this video, I explore it further in a more in-depth video on my Patreon page, where I do monthly deep dives on whatever topic I feel like. There's also a private Discord channel where you can build and share with other like-minded individuals. Thanks as always to all the Patreon supporters who help keep this channel alive. Peace and good luck creating.